Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing the fluffiest pancakes. I tell you, this is the Queen Elizabeth recipe for pancakes, okay, or drop scones. Guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. If you're an old subscriber coming, thank you so much for coming back. Now guys, let's get started. This is so delicious. Just look at this, it's so fluffy. So guys, I have my eggs in my beaker, okay, and I'm going to just add the other ingredients. It's a very easy recipe, okay. You are going to love it and you can make it for your family. I add the sugar to it. It's a very little sugar you add, it's not that sugary. All right, and for the sugar to dissolve, I'm going to add just a bit of the milk so that the sugar will dissolve nicely. So guys, I have my flour. I'm using plain flour. I'll put all the measurement down in the description box for you guys. I add some cream of tartar, some baking soda and some salt, and I add them all to the flour and mix so that it's well incorporated. So I'm going to add the rest of the milk. You can add some vanilla extract if you prefer, and I add also some melted butter. Okay, so that's all the ingredients. So I'm adding the dry ingredient to the wet ingredient, and that's it. Our butter is done. So come along with me. Right, our butter is done. So this is the consistency I am going for. So now we are going to fry our pancakes. You can use butter, you can use any or cooking oil of your choice. Don't let the pan be so hot so that your pancakes will burn. So come along with me. So guys, when you see some bubbles on top of your pancake, then you turn it. It means that it's time to turn the pancake. Wow guys, our pancakes is done. It's so fluffy, it smells good, and it looks amazing. So you can add sugar to your pancakes, maybe icing sugar. You can add maple syrup, you can add honey. I love drizzling some honey on my pancakes, okay. Yeah, you put the honey into the microwave and it becomes really light consistency, and you can just drizzle it over your pancakes. It's so delicious. So guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up. Just look at that, give me a thumbs up, okay, and do subscribe to my channel, and please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share this recipe. It is so delicious and very easy. Bye.